What's happening, Griddle Gurus? It's the Griddle Guru coming at you live from Mad City Smash House. As promised, I unboxed this Members Mark 36-inch griddle. It took me exactly 58 minutes to put this together. Now, I did not put the shelves on either side of this. Not because I didn't have time to. I'm trying to figure out where I'm going to actually keep this permanently. And so I didn't put the shelves on because in all likelihood this is going to stay out at our east side location, aka our outdoor bar. And so that's the reason for the shelves not being on there. All in all, it was not very hard to do at all. The instructions, there's 21 steps. If you take out the side shelves, the two shelves on the side, it took me 58 minutes. And I was working at a comfortable pace. I ran in and grabbed a drink a couple of times. So I would say even with adding the shelves, this shouldn't take more than an hour and 20 minutes max. But all in all, as far as the quality of the griddle, I'm fairly pleased with it. I do have a couple of concerns just right out of the gate. And the primary concern that I have is just the way that this grease goes down into this drawer. If you can see, there's a good, I should have a tape measure, but just eyeballing that, it's a good 8 inches, maybe even a foot, about 8 inches from the top of this griddle down to where it catches the grease. There is a channel, a metal channel that's been installed underneath here, and so I'm just kind of curious if that grease is going to go just into that front grease management system. If not, this will be a disaster because when you're trying to deal and manage grease, it can get kind of messy, obviously. And so again, this is just speculation. I'm a little bit anxious about that. I am going to season this in a little bit here, and I will, of course, cook some onions on it first. I'm getting ahead of our podcast tonight, but your first cook should be onions. And so other than that, it's built fairly well. I'm trying to remember back, comparing this to my original Blackstone, 36-inch Blackstone that I bought years and years ago. As far as what I can remember from all those years ago, it's about the same as far as built. And again, I'm not trying to knock Blackstone, but all in all, the biggest test will be time. And so all in all, I'm pleased. You don't think at this point you can go wrong for 199 bucks. But again, took me every bit of 58 minutes. I did not install the side shelves. And so there you have it. Until next time, you know it. Griddle Gurus, griddle on.